Hey, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, a very warm welcome to you. I'm so glad you found this video. Today we're diving into one of the most requested topics I get asked about all the time: how to pick stocks as a complete beginner in the stock market. Whether you've never bought a single share in your life, or you've tried investing but felt completely lost, this video is made exactly for you. By the end of the next few minutes, you're going to walk away with a clear, simple framework for choosing stocks with real confidence. What if I told you that the biggest mistake most beginners make in the stock market isn't picking the wrong stock? It's picking stocks without any system at all. Every year, millions of people throw their hard-earned money into random tickers they heard about on social media, only to watch it vanish within months. The good news is that picking stocks doesn't have to be a gamble. It's a skill you can absolutely learn. And right now, I'm going to show you exactly how to start doing it the right way. Before we get into strategy, let's quickly cover what a stock actually is, because skipping this step costs beginners more than they realize. When you buy a share of a company, you're buying a tiny piece of ownership in that business, its profits, its growth, and yes, its losses too. That means you're not just trading numbers on a screen. You're becoming a part owner of a real living business. So the very first question to ask before buying any stock is, would I be comfortable owning a piece of this company? Now let's talk strategy. And this is what most beginner videos never actually give you. It's called the BUSY framework. And it stands for business, understand, screen, and your price. Start with the business. Only invest in companies whose product or service you genuinely understand and believe in. If you can't explain in one sentence what the company does and why people keep paying for it, simply move on. The second step is to understand the financials at a basic level. We're talking revenue growth, profit margins, and debt load. You want to see revenue growing year over year, healthy profit margins, and a debt level that won't cripple the company during a downturn? Free tools like Yahoo Finance or simply WallSaint make this surprisingly easy, even if you've never read a financial statement in your life. You don't need to analyze every number. Just ask yourself, is this business getting stronger or weaker over time? The third step is to screen the competition by comparing the stock against its closest rivals in the same industry. If Company A has a PE ratio of 18, while its two biggest competitors sit at 30 and 35, Company A could be significantly undervalued and worth a much closer look. Screening also means filtering out companies with shrinking revenues, rising debt, or leadership scandals that could tank the stock regardless of how solid the product is. Think of this step as narrowing your list from 10 candidates down to your best 2 or 3. The final step is your price, because even a perfect company is a terrible investment at the wrong valuation. Set a target entry price based on the stock's historical PEE, its earnings growth rate, and what you'd comfortably pay as a long-term owner. If the stock is trading above your target, simply wait. Patience in investing is not weakness. It's one of your greatest advantages. Markets move up and down constantly, and the investor who waits for the right price almost always wins over the one who buys out of excitement. Finally, no matter how confident you feel about a stock, never put all your money into one company. Diversification is what protects you. Spread your investments across at least 8 to 15 companies in different industries so that one bad pick doesn't wipe out your entire portfolio. Think of your investments like a sports team. You need strong players in different positions, not 10 versions of the same person. Start small, stay consistent, and let time and compounding do the heavy lifting for you. That's a wrap on today's video. If you found this helpful, go ahead and smash that like button, because it genuinely helps this reach more beginners who need to hear this. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video on investing, money, and building real financial freedom. I'll see you in the next one. Keep investing smart, stay patient. And always remember, every great investor started exactly where you are right now.